If you seek ideas on how to utilize AI on a daily basis, like learning a language, preparing for a job interview, enhancing creativity, or simply having fun, then stay and watch. We will explore Characters.ai and learn effective prompts. ChatGPT has a wide range of applications, and people use it for various tasks. But sometimes we are unaware how we can engage AI to assist us. Characters.ai has a range of trained bots that we can choose, so it makes it easier to get an idea of tasks that we can do with AI. One of the most popular chatbots is a bot to learn a language. I discovered that it's great at teaching you by playing games. Let's first try if it can explain a specific grammar topic.
Prompts in description.
Nice. Save that prompt for later. Another aspect is vocabulary. Let's see. Making learning fun may be the key to staying consistent. Let's explore all the games.
1. Word association. Two. Anagrams. Three. Role-playing.
I spent some time figuring out effective prompts, so I added them to the video description, where you can easily copy and reuse them in the future. Another valuable use case involves preparing for job interviews. Interviews can be stressful events, and it's good to prepare for them, even when you have experience. In this scenario, you don't need specific prompts, just choose the interviewer chatbot. It will inquire about the role and proceed to ask relevant questions. Let's see how well I handle my upcoming job interview. Wow, I really need to do research before my next job application. Since we're discussing the acquisition of new skills, another helpful bot can suggest books based on your description. Whether it's a book to learn a new skill like Java or Photoshop or an engaging crime story. What's more, it will help you find a book as a gift for a specific person or choose between two similar books. Let's explore it together. Okay, we've already learned a lot with the chatbot and figured out how to quickly choose a gift for Christmas. I promised some creativity exercises. I'm going to introduce two chatbots that can help with it. The first one is Debate Champion. You can send him a statement like, "Cats are better than dogs," and he will start a discussion from the opposite point of view. If you'd like to be surprised, you can use the prompt "Propose your debate," and the chatbot will start. It's also interesting to prompt "Let's change roles." Very refreshing. The other creative chatbot is the text adventure game. Let's jump right into it. The last bot that I wanted to mention is strictly for fun. The chatbot can be trained to answer as a specific public person. Let's ask some questions to Elon Musk. As you can see, it can be helpful and fun. Subscribe to not miss exploring other tools and cases.